Hi everyone, welcome to Technology. On this section, I'll be walking you through how to create GitHub repository. Alright, so if you want to create your GitHub repository, definitely you're on this page, which is prerequisite before getting started. Scroll down all the way to the bottom page and click on GitHub. So when you click on this part, it's going to open the github.com for you, where you're going to set up your own GitHub repository. Alright, so what is GitHub repository? A GitHub is a Git repository hosting service, but it has many of its own features. While Git is a command line tool, GitHub provides a web-based graphical interface. It also provides access control and several collaboration features, such as wikis and basic task management tool for every project. GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It allows you and other developers or other people work together on a project from anywhere. So basically, we're gonna set up our own GitHub. You can have your GitHub on your local system, that means on your computer, or you can have it on the cloud. But for the fact that we're gonna be working from the cloud, so we're gonna set up our own GitHub from the cloud. If you got a job, maybe you're working for an enterprise company, they're gonna have their own GitHub, either GitHub or Bitbucket or GitLab. But the most common one is GitHub and Bitbucket. So, they all work the same thing. Maybe probably later on you might find out about Bitbucket. You might want to play with GitLab and all that. So as long as you know how to operate one, you know how to use one, then you shouldn't have problem with every other Git repository. All right, so basically all you gotta do is to click sign up. So when you click sign up, it's gonna show you this place. Welcome to GitHub. All you gotta do is to add your email. So I'm gonna add my email. Let me bring it back. So all you gotta do is to add your email. Technology@gmail. So add your own email and click continue. All right, so it's gonna ask you for your password. Then input your own password, not my password. So input your own password and click continue. It's pretty simple. So it's going to ask you for username. So I'm going to use Technology as my own username, and your username can be your own name. You don't have to use Technology for your username. So use your name or any name that works for you. So all right, so I'm going to click continue. So I had my email, create my password, and set up a username. The username can be anything. All right, so click continue. And it's going to ask you, would you like to receive email product and stuff like that? If you want, you can type yes. If no, you can type no. All right, so it's going to ask you to solve a puzzle. So click start a puzzle. Pick the spiral galaxy. So which is this one, and click create account. So if you want to save your password, depend on you, but on my side, I ain't gonna save my password. So it said you are almost done. We sent a launch code to your technology@gmail. So all I gotta do is to go back to my email and go back to my email inbox and copy this code or open right here. So I'm gonna copy this code and go back right here and paste, and boom. Alright, so it's initializing my GitHub account. So GitHub is a repository where we're gonna keep our code, we're gonna keep your test file and anything that you're gonna launch. So on this place, this is where every other developer will be able to have access to and work on the same project. Don't worry, you're gonna get to know about that as we move on. Alright, so if you are able to see this page, that means you are able to create your GitHub account, GitHub repository successfully. Alright, so I hope you learn. Thank you.